Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Come on guys, I have something to show you all. Will love it.
Yum, yum, yum. This is so yum. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Wow. Look at this cornbread.
This was my first time trying it out and it came out so delicious. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, look at that deliciousness. Look at that, guys. Emanuela will love it, trust me. This is yum, 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 yum. Try this, you will love it.
So guys, let's get started with this cornbread recipe. So if you love cornbread like Gucci's, take your chair. Take your chair, sit down. Let's do this together, okay? So here in this bowl, I have my cornbread. I'm going to be measuring it into this bowl with this 2-cup measurement. So I'm going to pour it in from my 1-cup measurement. I'm trying to make sure I do measuring this year, okay? I don't like measurements actually. I like to measure with my eyes because I do a lot of cooking, like bulk cooking. So I know how many measurements I can do for anything. Okay, we are using this 1-cup measurement to measure into this 2-cup measurement. So that way we are sure what we are doing. Yeah, this is 2 cup. I'm going to measure about 6 cup of these 2-cup measurements. All right, this is just to show you in case you would love to go by my measurements. Is that understood? All right, I hope I'm making sense here. Yeah, so we have 6. I eventually would be adding 1 more cup, making it 7. I just added 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, and here I've just added my sugar in. I'm going to go in with my baking powder. I added 1. I'm going to add the second spoon, and here I have salt, pink salt. You can use any choice salt, okay? Mix everything in and make sure everything is well incorporated. That way you will not be testing salt this side and testing sugar this side. This is cornbread. You want to get that delicious sizzling brown beautiful cornbread made for your family. So here I have my coconut oil as usual. I have my butter. I'm using some eggs. Yeah, I have milk. This is buttermilk. Feel free to use any milk of your choice. Here I have my cast iron pot. This is what is used for this recipe. You can also use your pan if that's what you have. And I'm setting my oven on 350. Okay, yeah, I'm going into my pot with some coconut oil. You guys know how I love this coconut oil. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. The coconut oil is coconutting, you know. So that's why you will not blame me. So to my bowl, this is a separate bowl. After I have mixed my cornbread with the flour, I just set it aside, and I'm going to mix my butter, my egg into this bowl before we add it into the cornbread. Okay, so here is my egg. I'm going to take about 4 eggs and I'll add it in. I'm going to melt my butter. This is my butter. Melt your butter, that way to be easy for you. Put it in and then mix together. Mix, mix, mix. Wix, wix, wix. Okay, so just mix it whichever way you want to. Make sure it is all well incorporated, and then get your cornbread back to the table. Now you want to add all of those beautiful mixture into your cornbread. Now you're going to start using your paddler. Mix it in gradually, mix it in gradually, and then if you see the consistency is not beautiful enough, go ahead, add some more of those mixture. Trust me, mix until you have the right consistency. Go in with the last one of your mixture. Oh yes. So I'm going to mix it together and see if I have to adjust add anything, maybe some milk or some egg, at this point, this is when you will know if you have to add some more liquid into your cornbread. And if you're going to add anything, I would suggest to you that you add some more milk and some more oil. So I went in with some more coconut oil. You can go in with some more butter if you look at it and it's not greasy enough, because cornbread has to be very, very fluffy. So I went in with some coconut oil, as you saw. I'm going in with 2 more cups of buttermilk. You can choose to go in with butter, you can choose to go in with egg or milk, just like I've done. All you're trying to get here is a fluffy cornbread mixture. Look at that. When you're mixing, don't mix too hard, because this is cornbread. You don't have to mix it too hard. For cornbread, the batter has to be a thick consistency. Yeah, you don't want it watery. It's not going to hold. Your cast iron pot should have been on your stove or inside your oven with the oil inside, because you want it very hot as it's coming out before you add your batter. Make sure your oil or butter that you have in your cast iron pot is very, very hot. Add in your batter and look at all those beauties. Look at all those beauties, those oil. I went in with butter. I mixed the coconut oil with butter. Look at how beautiful. The oil on top, by the time it's coming out, sizzling with all of those deliciousness mixed in it. You know how delicious this is going to be, right? I hope you have liked this video. Give me a thumbs up. Share to your friends and loved ones. Let's get our cornbread into the oven. Guys, I forgot I was not wearing my gloves and I got burned. 1 hour, 13 minutes later.
Look at that, guys. Oh, goodness me. This is good. Look at it sizzling. Can you see that cornbread sizzling around there? Can you see? Can you see? Can your cornbread ever? Guys, this is so good. I'm going to bring it out now. Okay, let's bring it out. Look at that, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is so good. Trust me, you want to try this. This recipe is beautiful. So, so beautiful, guys. I'll show you what I want to do next. Just to glaze it, go in with your oil or your butter to every of my pastries. So I like to use, just gonna put this on top. Look at that. Just try this for your cornbread recipe. Try this and let me know. I actually promised Emmanuel I was going to do this yesterday, but I did a lot of pastries, and today getting ready to go to work, and I say, you know what, I'm going to surprise my family. Let me just go ahead and get this done before she gets back from school. How about that, guys? You want to do the same for your children, especially if it's something you know you can try. This is actually, he knows how to do most of these American delicacies. But because of time, I went ahead to just randomly looked at it on YouTube, and I came out with my own creativity. I have to create a way to just get it done my own way. And I hope it comes out beautiful by the time we have a taste of it. But trust me, it looks beautiful already. Can't you see how good? I'm sure it's going to look very moist. Love when my cornbread has all of those. Like, this is so beautiful, guys. Trust me. This is so good. I'm not going to break into this. I'll wait for my family, and then I'm going to show you the finishing part of this bread recipe. You can do this for your family, and they will love it.
Growing up, cornmeal moi moi was one of my best moi mois. My mom will blend cornmeal into several buckets, and we will make cornmeal fufu. We'll make cornmeal moi moi with some uh, biscuit bone and some beautiful, fishes and crayfish. And I'm making American cornmeal today. Look at that. Thank you so much. I hope you give it a try. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao.